Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2016 Honda Fury Chopper. This factory chopper just arrived with only 249 miles on the odometer. Perfect showroom condition, fuel injected, 1300 cc's, liquid cooled shaft drive. You get chopper styling with Honda reliability. Bike's brand new. Come on by. Make your Fury dreams come true for just $99.99. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you for Contra Costa Powersports.